The first of which is when you're putting groups of things together. For example, in this problem I have Jane, and she brought 12 cookies. Mark brought 15 suckers, and Liz brought 14 cupcakes. I want to know how many treats did our class have in all. In this situation, I have 3 different sets of things, 12 cookies, 15 suckers, and 14 cupcakes, and I want to put those things together to know my total number of treats. We can use a bar diagram to help us. I know that this is the total number of treats. What I don't know is how many treats that is. So I'm going to try to figure out this total amount here. I know that a part of it, this section right here, are my 12 cookies. I know another part of it, this section right here, are my 15 suckers. And then finally I know the last part is the 14 cupcakes. Notice how I have 3 smaller parts, and when I put them all together, I end up with my 1 total. Well, if I wanted to solve this problem, I'd have 12 plus 15 is 27. This would make it 37, plus another 4 would be 41. So altogether I had 41, which is greater than each of my small parts, because when I put 3 small pieces together, I end up with 1 big. Another situation when I know I need to add is when I have parts of one single whole. It's very similar to this first problem. Here's an example problem. Our guided reading groups read a book in 2 days. If we read 17 pages yesterday and 19 pages today, how many pages are there all together in the book? Well, again, here I can use a bar diagram to help me to visualize. I'm trying to figure out how many are the total. I'm trying to figure out when all the pieces are together in my whole, how many I would have. In this case, my book was divided into 2 days. In my first day I was introduced to the book, I only read 17 pages. On my second day, though, I was able to complete 29 pages. Notice when I put the 2 days together, my 2 parts together, I will have read the whole book, in which case I'd be able to find my total. So when you're adding, you have pieces that you're putting together, whether it's 3 distinct separate pieces or 2 pieces that join together to make one whole. Go ahead and apply this now to the word problems on your next activity in your center.